Hello everyone! This will be our first video on how to integrate for asset management analyst multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi, as you know, we are looking for an asset management analyst. We need someone to manage our assets, analyze the performance of our facilities, and optimize both operational and financial processes. But honestly, I am concerned about the high turnover in this position. We are at a key moment where efficiency and stability of the team are crucial for the growth of the company.
I fully understand your concerns. In fact, in the traditional model, when you hire an asset management analyst, you rely heavily on a person who can perform all these tasks manually. And have you ever thought that, in addition to the risk of turnover, there is also the factor of human error? In an environment where decisions need to be made quickly and accurately, relying on a single person can create unnecessary inefficiencies and risks. Moreover, if that person decides to go to another company for better pay or working conditions, the impact can be significant.
Exactly, that is one of the biggest risks. We invest in talent and then, if they leave, we lose all that knowledge and investment in training. The learning curve for a new employee is long, and during that time, the company can be affected in its daily operations. In addition, dependence on a single person creates bottlenecks in decision-making and incident tracking. It has happened to us before, and every time it happens, it becomes a costly and wearing problem.
That's where our proposed multi-agent AI solution comes in. Instead of relying on a single person to do all the work, we implemented a system comprised of several specialized agents that handle specific tasks, such as data collection, operations monitoring, financial analysis, and contract management. What is interesting is that these agents work in a coordinated manner, ensuring that tasks are performed seamlessly and without exclusive reliance on any one individual.
Interesting. And how are these agents managed? Do we need someone to be watching them all the time? I worry that we will end up replacing a human analyst with another type of technological dependency that also requires constant supervision.
Good question. Multi-agents can operate fully automatically, but it is also possible to set them up in a hybrid mode. This means that a human can monitor and control the system as needed. That person could be someone who already knows your company, which ensures continuity and context, or an outside consultant who brings a fresh perspective and experience with new technologies. Importantly, the system is flexible. You can adjust its level of autonomy according to the company's strategy.
I find that very attractive. With that hybrid approach, not only do we reduce dependency on a single employee, but we have the flexibility to maintain control and adjust the system according to the needs of the business. Also, I think it's key that we can decide how much automation we want without losing visibility into internal processes.
Exactly. By automating many of the operational and analysis tasks, you not only minimize the risk of losing critical talent, but also optimize processes. For example, agents can consolidate data from various sources in real time, detect performance anomalies, and even anticipate potential failures, something that is much more difficult to achieve manually. In addition, they can generate detailed reports without human error, enabling better decision-making.
I can see how this can help us have a much more holistic view and respond more quickly to any unforeseen events. Also, having such a system in place would reduce the administrative burden and allow the team to focus on strategic decisions, wouldn't it? This can also translate into an improvement in the quality of work life, as our employees would be able to focus on higher value tasks and not on tedious processes.
Exactly. With this system, the asset management analyst would no longer be burdened by repetitive and manual tasks. He would be able to focus on interpreting data, making informed decisions, and ultimately adding strategic value to the company. And, as mentioned, if the person overseeing him or her leaves, the system continues to function and can be quickly reconfigured. In addition, with detailed records and automated processes, the transition between employees becomes much smoother.
I really like the idea. Not only does this approach mitigate the risk of turnover and dependency on a single employee, but it also allows us to leverage technology to optimize our processes. I would like to explore further how this system would be implemented and what concrete benefits we could expect in our specific situation.
Of course. Today, we have laid the groundwork by identifying the key problems with the traditional model and showing how the multi-agent solution with AI can provide a more robust and flexible answer. In our next videos, we will delve deeper into each of the components of the system and look in detail at how they integrate to transform asset management in the enterprise. In addition, we can analyze real cases of companies that have already successfully implemented this model.
Perfect. I am convinced that this is the way forward. Thank you for this enlightening conversation. But before I watch the next video, could you please put me in touch with someone in case I have more specific questions?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.